Here at Boyette's, a very well-known, actually famous restaurant right off of the Reelfoot Lake, where, well, I'll be showing you why I'm here at Reelfoot Lake. But this place is very, well, people from all over come to Boyette's cafe or restaurant, and it's been here for 100 years. So anyway, stay tuned. We got a lot of neat things we're going to show you today at Reelfoot Lake. Check you in a moment. Bye-bye. It was delicious. It's really worth the trip to come to Reelfoot Lake and to eat at Boyette's. It really is. It's excellent. I had the hamburger steak with bell pepper, mushroom, and onion. The onion rings are phenomenal. The French fries are great. The coleslaw was really good, but I finished mine.
Really?
But the rolls, the hush puppies, everything's really good here, and the service is excellent, very friendly, very popular place. But yeah, Reelfoot, Boyette's. I give it
Fabulous.
this.
Ooh.
Highest rating. All right, let's go on an adventure. Let's go. Here we are at Reelfoot Lake, folks. This is an amazing lake. It was a man-made, actually it wasn't a man-made lake. It was actually made by an earthquake that literally backed up the Mississippi. Instead of the Mississippi flowing south down into the Gulf of Mexico, it literally flowed north, and it created Reelfoot Lake. And you'll want to Google that and learn more about this amazing lake. Now, learn something interesting today from a head honcho park ranger of all the Tennessee parks. He said that there's 57 parks here in the state of Tennessee, and they're all free, and they are unbelievable. Now, I've only been to the western portions of the Tennessee state parks, and they're unbelievable. The ones out in East Tennessee and Middle Tennessee, they say, are even prettier than the Western Tennessee, which is kind of hard to imagine because, folks, I've seen every one of the state parks, every one of them in Western Tennessee, and they're magnificent. Now, unfortunately, maybe my Texas friends, my Texas followers,
Yeehaw!
may say, no, Texas has got the prettiest state parks. Well, I'm a native Texan, and I'm going to have to argue that point. Tennessee is gorgeous, and I know some friends in North Carolina and Virginia and elsewhere would argue they have the prettiest state parks. Subjective, but I'm just saying, if you ever get to Tennessee, especially Western Tennessee, go to any of the state parks. They're beautiful. Now, why am I at Reelfoot State Park here today? Well, I thought there would be a lot of pelicans here because the pelicans are migrating, and this is one of their stop-offs. Hadn't seen a single one. Their Pelican Festival was about 2 weeks ago, and they said there was lots of pelicans everywhere. But folks, I can look out here, I don't see any of them. Now, driving in earlier for lunch at Boyette's, which I shared my meal with you, we saw some way out there floating around, but there is none to be seen now. But it's it's about 10 till 4 p.m. Late afternoon, sun's going to set in about less than 2 hours. I don't know where they went. Maybe they went to Mexico, wherever they're going. I don't know where they're going. Maybe they're going up north. I'd have to look that up, but there's a link where you can check it out that I left for you that tells about the pelican migration here in Tennessee. So, as you saw, the drone footage, the beautiful boardwalk it's just beautiful, folks. And it's late October. Well, in fact, it's early, 1st of November. And the trees are kind of losing their luster, but they're still beautiful. So folks, I'm really sorry that I couldn't show you some pelicans. I was gonna ride a couple of them for you, lasso some, pull them in. I'm sorry, I made too big of a promise that I could follow up on. So anyway, that's all I got for you. And maybe next year in October, early October, I'll be at the Pelican Festival. And maybe some of you might be able to join me. Who knows? Who knows what 2023 is gonna bring? Check you later.